Okay, we're going to replace the rear ABS sensor on a 98 F Lincoln Town car. Going to be the right rear. First, we're going to start with removing the seat. These just clip in on either side, so you just push it back and it clips in there. This is left, that one over there is obviously right. I need to vacuum that before I put it back. So, I'm going to pull this out here. It's not my way. I'll just kind of flip it through the other door. So now, we're just going to pop that up. And that won't matter. New ABS sensor comes with all those new brackets. Now we're going to pull our sound deadener up here. There we go. That's the ABS side of that. And it just push it down that hole. Which kind of rubber grommet. Now we'll grab our new one. See, it's got the little, see all our little clips. That's our plug. It should be the same. It just runs along and comes in the back. So we're going to get this one off here. Get the new one on. The way we're going to do that. Come under the car. See where old one's falling off? So right up here is where the new one goes. In here. So you push it into place and I can reach over my hand and pull it through the back door. We'll pop that rubber grommet in there. It comes with a new one. There we go. Rubber grommet's popped in. Here's our old one. See the rubber grommet? Okay, now we're gonna feed it this way. Around the jack. First, I'm gonna come up and connect this one. You're falling off my head. Okay. We'll just click. And we'll just carefully, without pushing this grommet out, slowly push it. We're going to pull it through so it's tight. See this little guy? He just click locks. He goes down like so. There we go. He click locks back under that. We'll feed that through. I want it to be a little tighter up here. Than that. I'm getting it closer. How I want. Okay, that looks pretty good. And now I'm going to shut the door. I'm going to reposition my jack. Get on under there. Now we'll jack it up real good here. Should give enough working room. Okay. Well, we're gonna go for our method of choice to get them little connectors out, which would be our good old friends, the dikes. In this case, dikes can be our friend. So, can impact. Still covered in gear oil. Okay. Get it on 3. Sweet. Impact dikes on the ground. Get our tools. So our ABS sensor lives right here. Right here's the bolt that holds it. Okay. He's smaller. She a 10. That gear well spewing just run. Oh, at this point the car's back together for some of my old videos. Now I'm sorry I lost some footage, but drive shaft's in, differentials rebuilt, axles and all. Transmission has a new output seal. She's had the works. So I gave the girl the old some coat bigger. So what do we leak? 11. Get in here with our there's my little ratchet. There's 10. Just had a little screwdriver. There we go. There's the 10 pins. So I don't really want to get that in there, so let's just get this little electric ratchet here. Need a short extension here. I hope you can see this. Okay, we're gonna have to have smaller to break that loose. She's in there good. I'm not gonna lie. Slowly work it. She's coming. Slow and steady wins the race, though. Oops. Just in case you can't see what I'm doing. I'm Just slowly working that little bolt right there. Okay. It's pretty loose. Let's take our hand. There's a bolt. Oh, look at that. She got red Loctite. That's where she's coming hard. We'll just wiggle this little guy out. Yeah. You gotta go back on my head for a minute, I'm sorry. Well, I'm gonna have 2 hands. This is where our nuts come in. Not exactly what I wanted to do, but okay. Here's our old one. Oops. Some guy made a boo-boo. Well, I'll take full responsibility for that boo-boo. She's trusty. But we replaced them axle seals. I cleaned it up a little bit. That stuff will slowly dry up and fall off now that it's not peeing. Which axle seals ended up being a whole differential rebuild. So this, we know this goes under. So we're going to stick our other end in. There we go. Now, keep coming off. Wow. Never had that before. That little guy's in there. Well, let's try a new approach to this. Okay, I'm gonna get this pulled out. It's gonna be a struggle, and you keep falling off, which camera in the hand makes it harder. So, okay, we're ringing. There's our boot where it comes out. It comes down here, and we got one clip here, one clip here. We got a clip here and a clip here. The easiest way that clip breaks off is to go in here with your dikes and pull it on through. You can get through it through this frame hole. That one, you can get a little screwdriver in there and punch it on through. This one, if you need to, you can cut the back side off. Where it runs around and then up. See, kind of clips over this bracket, the back side's open. Then it runs around, and we're ready to put our bolt in. When I had the drive shaft and everything out of the car, I hit it with a slide hammer. Accidentally lost it. You can see the crap built up. So, we're going to take care of it. This is a long 10mm bolt. Headed bolt here. Mine. Let's get around here. Had red Loctite. Which way? And as you can see, that one clips in. I ended up taking a screwdriver and smacking that one on through. It'll fall out the other side once you smack them. Okay, we're ready to insert our bolt. As I was saying before I accidentally hit the camera, if you smack these through, they'll fall out the other side. That one will fall out here. The other one will fall out about there. It's pretty simple. You know, I'm not going to re-red Loctite this bolt. It's an ABS sensor. I mean, I don't think it'll ever need to be replaced again. You never know. But I'm going to go in here with the just going to run this down tight. We'll call it done. There's a look at the under. Look at I got the G2 diff cover, the drain bolt, fill bolt in it, upgraded U-joints to the drive shaft, new differential yoke, flange. We're going the other side and let you see what we got going on. New bolt and exhaust. Those flanges were leaking. But if this tight down, we're unlocked. This little bolt here. And it's going into plastic here, so the little ABS sensors are plastic, so don't kill it. Snug's good. And we got our snug there. Just snug as a bug. There we go. She's a snuggin'. There we go. Alright, I want that on this side of that. I don't want it rubbing. I want them to rub through the parking brake cable and the ABS. Here's a good look at this side. We have 355s in here. So there's my differential. Don't know. We're getting a good look at this, but there it is. The drive shaft, new U-joint. There's a grease fitting steering at us, and that U-joint. So we got our new fuel filter. Next I see to do sway bars, exhaust hanger. I'll probably do the whole sway bar and upgrade it. I'll do those bushings too. Got front sway bar bushings and upgrades to do. She looks pretty good. So there it is. Seems to be no leaks. We're done. So that's it. Thank you for watching. This concludes, will be the last rear end video for a long time. Winter's coming on. You can see the fall leaves drop. It's taken me a while to get this stuff done. I've had to wait for the weather, and yeah, and I appreciate you watching, and enjoy your day, and I'll see you later.